Hey everybody, I was gifted some of my faves. These are solar fairy lights, I call them. This is the like flower, the Sakura version. These are great. So they are solar right here and they store beautifully. So you fold all of them up like this and then this comes off for storing in the winter. Truth be told, I leave these out all year long. So you get them, they look like this and then you sculpt them to whichever shape it is that you want. On the bottom, they do come with an on-off switch, and it is this one right here. And then you have 8 different modes, okay? So we're gonna pretend that it's dark out because I'm covering up the solar part. And then you can cycle through all of the modes. Again, you have 8 different modes. I just think these are so pretty. They're just such a little touch of whimsy to your outdoor space. Let's put them outside and see what they look like.
Okay, here they are. I'm showing you some of the different modes. These are so beautiful. Again, you get a 2-pack of these cherry blossom solar flowers. They are waterproof, just the most adorable outdoor solar fairy lights. These are great for your patio, for all of your pots, for your pathways. Also, these make a great gift for moms or just any gardener or outdoor lover in your life. Love the flexible branches, and these really withstand the weather. You really can't go wrong with these. Love them. Check them out.